Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make two different types of chicken wing recipe. One is hot and sour, another one is sweet and spicy. This is great recipe. The kids will love it. Great for any game night, Super Bowl, get together party, or even this quarantine lockdown. You want to do something entertaining for your family. This is a great recipe. Before I go ahead and start, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below. I have two videos every week. To start off, here I have 2 pounds of chicken wing. I actually put them in a baking tray and then put them in a refrigerator overnight. That way the skin is dry, it doesn't have any kind of moist in it. Now I'm going to transfer this into a large bowl, and to this I'm going to add few spices. To start off, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any kind of neutral oil if you prefer. And to this I'm adding salt as needed, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, pepper as needed. Now go ahead and give it a quick mix until all spices are well coated with the chicken. Now I'm going to put this chicken wing back in the tray, leaving a little bit of space between each wings. Now I'm also preheating my oven at 450 degrees depending on the oven temperature. You can do it more or less little bit, and then I'm going to bake them for 45 minutes. If you want more crispier side of the chicken wing skin, then you can bake it a little longer. And I also flipped it one time in between cooking time. In between the baking. Here in a small saucepan I have half a cup of hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, good quality butter. Now to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon honey as well. Just make sure you bring it to a boil on a lowest setting heat. You don't want to burn them. Now I also divided the chicken into 2 portions, one for the hot sauce which I'm adding to the chicken, and I'm going to give it a quick mix and set it aside so that the chicken absorbs all the liquid to it. And the second portion we will make the sauce for that portion. Now here I have a saucepan. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of tamari. You can also use soy sauce if you prefer, and I'm also adding 1/3 of a cup honey. Again, we want to cook this on a very low heat setting, simmer, make sure it's on simmer. And to this I've added 5 garlic cloves roughly chopped and 1 spring onion roughly chopped. Here I have 3 chili that I've seeded. If you want more spicy, just go ahead and add less or more depending on your taste level. Bring it to a boil again on a low setting. We don't want to burn them, and once you see the bubbles you can turn off the heat, and then we are going to add this to the second portion of the chicken that we divided earlier. Give it a quick mix. You can see the hot sauce is nicely absorbed to the chicken. It looks great. And the second sauce, it is going to be on the thinner side of the sauce. That's how it should be. It's nicely caramelized. I'm going to dish out with the parchment paper. Actually I twisted both end of the parchment paper and then I used that as a dish out plate. Now this looks great. Definitely tastes super delicious, spicy. This hot and sour is super spicy and nice and sour, that it has nice that taste to it. And the sweet and spicy, it's definitely a keeper. You would love it. This is one of the best recipe that my kids love it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave the comment below and I'll get back to you. And I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care guys, and please stay safe. Bye bye.